What's poppin'? Alright guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's your girl Mimi, back at it again with another video. And today, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. You know, about to be whipping or whatever. So today I'm gonna be making some banana bread. So here I have some puree vegetable oil. You know the vibes already, eggs. I got some sugar right here. Make it sweet. You know, you can't have banana bread that is just any kind of way. Vanilla extra, because it's that little extraness that's gonna be having your baked goodies tasting hella goody. Obviously we need flour. My flour's in a bag because we do things a little different around here. Don't even look at that too much. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Yeah! I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. I got it for the Lolo.
Listen.
Turn up.
Are you making cookies?
No.
Wow.
I'm making banana bread. And then bananas, obviously, because what's the most important ingredient in banana bread? Duh. Some chocolate almond bark that I'm gonna like chop up. And yeah, so those are all the ingredients that we're gonna be using to make this scrumptious quarantine banana bread. And
let's get into it.
okay, so first you want to preheat your oven. So I'm gonna do that right now, 350 degrees. So we're gonna do the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients separate. I'm gonna use 3 eggs. 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna use this makeshift whisk for now. Then we're gonna use, I don't know, like a cup of sugar is probably good. And then mix that. Okay, for the bananas, you have to like mash these with a fork. So I'm using 3 bananas because that's all I have. And then, oh yeah, vanilla extract. Let's just go ahead and add that in here. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla extract just because I feel like it, I don't know if that's too much or too less, but as they say,
we move.
So now you're just supposed to like mash the bananas. It asks for a cup of oil, so, woo! Half a cup is good? I put half a cup. I'm just gonna put this in the bowl that I'm gonna mix everything in because I'm gonna mix it with a mixer, you know? So, I'm gonna pour everything in this bigger container. We need a teaspoon of baking soda. So we're just gonna add a teaspoon of that. Oh! Oops. Okay. Accidentally got too much. Okay, that's good enough. I don't think that was exactly a teaspoon, but I just literally got baking soda all over my counters. Next, the flour, and it says a cup of flour, so that's what we're gonna do here. Oh, okay. This is getting everywhere. Okay, well, if only you guys could actually see the counter right now. I think it would also be good if I put some walnuts in it to make it a little like crunchy. So I'm gonna add walnuts and chocolate as well. Okay, that looks good. You don't want to do it too much because doing too much is never good. Let's get you back up here, you know. Up here, not down here. I'm gonna ghetto style slice up this chocolate and just, it's almond bark, whatever that means. Here's the chocolate. We've got a little bit of chocolate here, as you can see. Just gonna pour that in there. Okay guys, this is just spur of the moment. I just decided to do this. I have some walnuts here and I'm just gonna put a couple in there. I feel like it would be good. It would give it some texture, you know? Maybe I should try to chop the walnuts a little bit so that they're not like super big chunks. Just like a handful, which is probably like a 1/4 cup if you're like if you're the measuring type. I'm not really the measuring type. Oh, she's looking good. She's looking banana-y, she's looking nutty, she's looking like everything that we want. So now I'm gonna put this in a pan and then put it in the oven. Camera's blinking, so it's gonna shut off in any minute. But we've already done the bulk of the work, so now you just gotta, oh, and she's ready. Right on time. She's ready for us. Y'all heard that? So I've got my pan here. I'm just gonna pour this in there. She's ready to go in the oven. Ooh, she's spilling. I'm just gonna toss this baby in the oven and I'm gonna put a timer for like 20 minutes and we'll just come back in 20 minutes and we'll see how that goes. You guys wanna see me walk down the stairs? I can't wait to blow my candles out. You want that? Cake, 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 whoo, whoo, cake, 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 cake. I have a headache. Oh, don't forget to thumbs up this video, give it a like. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you know the vibes. Do I even have to explain? Just subscribe.
Because if you're watching this video, you might as well subscribe.
Alright, cake's done, bread's done, food's done, food's ready. So let's take her out of the oven. Ta-da! Look at that! Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, they don't call me Betty Crocker for nothing. It looks amazing. Let's cut this baby so y'all can see what I'm working with. Sorry, do not mind the poster that's in the cut. That's awkward. It's a read poster, even though I don't read. Okay, anyway, that's besides the point. What we're here for is this banana bread, and we're about to cut this baby open. I want you guys to see what she's looking like. Like, thumbnail! I'm salivating, look at that. So I'm just gonna plop her on this plate here. See, I told you guys, I love this pan because it just makes perfect lines. Now we're going to just slice this sucker. Look at this slice that I've just delivered here. Yeah, so you got the chocolate chunks in there, I got the walnuts in there, the banana. Just got a little piece here. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. mais c'est bon. It's really good. I think the chocolate really like just made it fantastic. But it is so good. Like, I wish you guys could try this. Like, I mean, you can, because I didn't give y'all the recipe. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had lots of fun making this video and obviously making the banana bread, because now I'm about to smash. And I hope you too will also make this banana bread, because it's literally thebomb.com. And if you do make it, please leave a comment down below. And if you don't make it, leave a comment down below your favorite thing to bake, whatever it may be. And I might do another baking video. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.